This is the elevator at the St. Regis in downtown Sarasota, Florida. This was originally an old General, but was sadly modernized by General with Innovation Universal. General modernized by General. Well, I'll say new about it. Original Wall Station, original COP, old General logo. I've never seen that before. Looks straight. Here we go. It's a very narrow and small elevator. Skinny. Hydro. Right? Two-speed door. That sweet door wiped on the ground. Door goes in the press button, possibly stop and log on your control 88 phone. Here's someone. Original COP there. General elevator. New general, basic fake green cab, original railing, new railing. Your sticky floor. General logo. I'm definitely a lot of her background. Save the personal rail for call it. That does not work. ThyssenKrupp rail. I think ThyssenKrupp making this a long time. Maybe they still do. Yeah, because I think General from Florida got bought out by ThyssenKrupp. That wasn't asking it, so that would make sense.